Hi guys, going to be discussing about the collection classes. So in collection classes, in the last class, we have seen about the list set map. So in the list also we having the different types. So in the list we have seen only how to get the list of elements. So to print the all the list of elements we have seen. So we have not seen about the how to search for a particular element, how to get access to the particular positions, and how to find the range of elements. So we can use with the list, uh, whatever the list of elements we can use, uh, what are the interfaces we having in list is an interface. In the that interfaces we having the classes like array list, linked list, vector is also there, but we are not going to be see more on the vector. So in the array list, what we having the ordering, we can have number, we can use the duplicate element, we can have the null elements. So in the array list, so we can give the ordering also, we can use it the ordering access is not available in the linked list, and key value is not available. The key value is going to be available only for the hash maps. So in the hash maps, we having the hash set, hash tree also we having. Here in the linked list, we can have the duplicate values, we can have the null values. So let's see how to use this one. So array list. So what is an array list? Array list is the extends what it extends. It is an abstract list. So what is abstract? So we have discussed about the collections. So what is abstract? So abstracts will contain the abstract methods and non-abstract methods, which is going to be implemented by interfaces. So we having the list as an interface, which we are going to be implementing that one. So array list supports the dynamical array, which is needed. So array list having three constraints. So we can use the empty array list, we can use the array list with the collections, like we can use the array list with the integer type, we can use the array list with the string type, can use the capacity. So I want to add 5 elements, I want to add 10 elements in the array list, so I can use the index also. So array list is created with initial size. So it is we can create the array list with the initial size. So what is the main difference between the array and collections? So array, for the array we have to specify the in size is must and should, we have to declare the size. It is going to be accept only specific type of elements, like it is going to be accept the, if we have declared array as an integer type, it is going to accept only integer elements. It is going to be accept only integer type. If I have declared array as a string, it is only uh, accepting string types of elements. So in the list, it is a collection of different elements. I can use collection of different elements. I can use the collection of similar elements also. I can use it by here array list collections. So we can use we can duplicate the elements and maintain in the insertion order also we can use. So array list is not synchronized way we are going to be using. So what is array list? We will see it here. So array list is a class which is going to be um, interface. So we have to implement that one. So we are going to be extending the collection. So array list is a part of the collection framework of Java utilities. It is it backing the array implementations with a list of interfaces. So what it is having, so how we have declared the array list. So last time we have seen some programs in the list. So we will go back to that collections. So list program here have declared. So here I have added some names and have printed all my list of elements. So here I want to use some list of programs which we can be implemented. Before going to see that list of elements, first what we will see means how can we add that element positions. So here I have not given the element position. If I run this program, what we can see it here, So it is printing printing in a particular order. So here in this one, it is printing the particular order. Whatever the order I have given, it is going to be printing in that particular order. So suppose if I want to add the position of that one, so list with order. I want to list with order. I want to use the list of elements. So here what I can do, here I can use a array, a list. List is coming from the Java util class, util package. So list of, I want to pass the string type. So I am going to be passing the string type li equals to new array list. I want to use the array list. So string of array list, I want to use it. So li dot add, I want to add some names. Adding Sarita, li dot add some Anita. I am going to add it. I'm adding li dot um, add David, li dot add. So if I print this one li, what it will print? It will print in the it will whatever the order I have entered, it will print in that order. Let's check once. So it is printed in that order. Suppose here I want to mention first position. I want to add some name Rajita. I want to add it. I want to add this Rajita in the first position. So how can I add? Means I can give the position as a 0 index. And I want to add in third positions. I want to add Uma. Let's see it is added or not. We can print li. See in the 0 position, it was started with the Rajita in one position. This is one position, this is two position, this is three position. At the three positions, it is added Uma. So we can add with the positions also. If I want to update this list, so I have having this list, so I want to update this list. So I will write everything in this program. Update. I want to update this list. So to update this list, what I want to do, I want to update this list with the positions I have in between Rajita, Sarita and Anita. I want to add uh, one name, some Mary. I want to add it. So how I can add it? Li dot add. So what is the position here I'm having? So I don't want to. Okay, now what is the order we got it in the li? The order what we got it. So it will add Rajita first, then Sarita. In between this one, I want to add. So this is 0 position. This is 1 position. At 2, I want to add. So basically, if I want to add 2 dot, I want to add Mary. So what it will do, it will add. But in the second position, I want to 0 this Anita place. I want to set as a Mary. So dot it has set, it has updated as Mary or not, we will see it. Add means it will add between. If I have used add method, what it will do, as per my requirement, what it will do, it will add a name Mary here. But what I have did at the second position, so this position, zero positions, we having Rajita. So in the zero position, we having Rajita, Sarita. Next, I want Mary. So this one I know I need to set it. So whether it is set as per our requirement or not, we will check it. See, in the place of Hanita, it was replaced with the Mary. So I have updated whatever my array list is there. With my array list, I have updated the string value. So here we can update the list. Suppose if I want to remove the things. Suppose here want to remove what I want to remove now. Remove this Mary only. Want to remove Mary. So to remove this Mary, what I want to do? Li dot remove. We having the methods. Remove index, you want to remove it. So I want to remove second. So Mary was placed in the second position. So I want to remove this second position name. So let's check it was removed Mary or not. We will check it. So that's why it is not displayed. Now see it. So it was removed. Previously in the second position, there was a Mary. I have updated with a Mary, but now I have removed that Mary. So you can remove that name. Suppose if I want to check in my list whether I'm having Uma or not. I want to check the condition. So I'm just writing here in everything in a single program. This Mary only, I have to check it. Mary has been removed or not. I want to check it. Whatever I have removed, I want to check it. If li dot contains what it contains, suppose Mary is there, it has to, what it has to display, system dot out dot found. It has to founded the element. Else what it has to do? Else system dot out dot such name in the list. So I have found the name. If not, I can say that there is no such element. First, we will check in the negative scenario, then we will go to the positive scenario. So here, whenever I'm validating, there is no such element. Suppose if I want to check, so here I got a found the name. So here we having the methods like contains method. So with the contains method, what I can do, it will return the true list contain the specific element. If the list containing the specific element, it will be written true. Okay. We have seen this one. And next thing, I want to make this one in a sorted order. Present, it starts with the R, it will starts with the S. I want to add now Anita. So what I can do it, whatever remove I have did, li dot add, whatever the name I want to add it, I'm adding it here. Let's see, first with the alphabetical order. A should come, then D should come, then J should come, then R. It should be in the ascending order. So whether it is giving in the ascending order or not, we are going to be checking. So to sort that one, what we having, system dots using after the main method. That's why it is asking me to create a method. I want to print it in the sorted order. So there in the collections we having the, it is an interface. So we having a collections. So we having the collection utilities. So collections dot li, collections dot l, sorry, collections dot method. What methods we want to do, we have shift, we have sort with the elements, sort with we have synchronized methods. So we having lot of methods. You want to check is list empty or not, checking the condition index of. So we having the different methods. First I want to use sort of li. So I want to sort the li. So whether it is sorting or not, we will see it. See it is printed in the sorted order only. So printed first as per my requirement. A has started first, next D, J, R, S, U. It is printed in the sorted order. So you can print it in the sorted order. Suppose if I'm having a two array list, I will create another one. Here we are getting lot of confusion. Mm, list into another list. So first what I will do means I will copy this one. I'm having one array list. I'm going to creating another list. So what I will do means this one I will make it as a 2. So here I'm replacing these elements. Yeah. So I'm having 2 elements here. So I want to copy this 2 into one array. So I will copy and I will so copy, we having the collections Java util class, we having util, sorry, it is copying the method, we have to copy it, class dot copy from the source to destination. So you have to copy from destination to source. So I want to copy from li to li. So I'm going to be printing both the one what it has copied. Li is copied to the li1 or li2 is copied to the li1. We will see it. So I have copied. So in this one, just differentiate this one. I'm just mentioning this thing. Okay. So this, oh, I have not printed here. Li2. Open as a li1. That's why it is not added in this one. Why? Because it is from the copy. I have copied this element, so I have not updated. That's why it is not throwing me any error also. So in li1, I'm having Sarita, Anita, Ravid, Johnny. In 2, I'm having this one. If you see, I have copied this one, created here. Then have copied this one 2 times. Why we got it? If you observe this one, in one, it was copied the second element. If I used this one, you're getting confusion. That's why I want to use what comes what first. List. Like to list. So let's check now to avoid confusion what it has copied. In one, what it is copied, into what it is copied. If you see, I have copied this 2 into 1, source to destination. So 1 also replaced with the second elements. 2 also replaced with the second elements. It is just to copy all the things. It is not copied as a combinations. I thought that it has to copy in my, I want to copy like this. In the one, in the list one, what I am expected, copy means it will just override it. Override the L1, L1 to L2. It was override. If I want to append, what I have to do? I have to use the add method to add. Let's see whether we can add it like, sorry, not here. Can we have a method called as a add? Add. li dot li2. So whether it is adding me or not, we will see this one. What it is doing, it is giving the list of the type of collection is not applicable in this argument. So it is not applicable. So how to add these elements? We will see later. So next one, what I want to do here, whatever I have given these values, I want to reverse this value. Suppose I will create another class. So I'm having this list. So I want to reverse this one. So whatever the order it is printing, it is printing Sarita, Anita, it is printing. So I want to reverse this one. So to reverse, there is a collections we having predefined methods. We can write different methods also. Class we have to take dot reverse. So reverse what we want to reverse, li we want to reverse it. Print this one system.out.li. You can see whether it is reversed or not. In the first line, it having the Sarita. First in the reverse order, it has in the John. So it has printed the John as the first positions, and next one it has printed the other elements. So you can reverse it. So I want to check. I want to empty this one. So I want to remove all this element. What I can do it to empty li dot remove all li system.out.println li. So I want to check whether it is empty or not. What I can do, check is empty. Is empty. So what it will do, I want to print this one, whether I'm checking is empty or not. So it is empty. So that's why it has written true. Suppose if I'm commenting this one, what it has to do? It has to print false. Why? Because it having the elements here. So that's why it is returning the false. It is going to be returning as a false. So you can use the list. By list you can do many things. You can add it, you can remove it, you can copy the string you want. If you want to add two list, you can add the two list also. So in adding list, it will maybe somewhat of different. We will see that list commands later. And this is all about the list. So in list we having the different methods, like we can reverse the uh, reverse a to list. We can reverse the to list. We can what we have, we can find the order in that list. Find we having predefined methods in the list, so you can use the two list methods. Whatever the list methods you having, you can use that predefined methods in Java and you can implement it. So you having the collections, in the collections what we having, reversing the order in the specific order it is going to be adding. So here I have told you I'm not able to add in this program. What I did in this program, not copying, I have not copied. So here I'm not able to add this list. Suppose if I want to add, what I can do it in the simple way. This method is not, it is not allowing to me add all to this particular method. So what I can do to add this one, just I'm going to be using a method in which one I want to add, sorry, I want to add in the L1. L1 dot add all method is there. We can add all collection strings of L2. So if I use system.out.println li, I will print system.out.li2 also. What it will add, we will see this one. I want to add this to list, whether it is adding my to list or not, we will see this one. In which one it is adding. Copy means it has copied whatever the L2 is there, it is copied to this L1. So it is override. So whether it is overriding, this all method will override or it will be appended in this L2, we will see it. So here, this is this one, I will comment this one as of now. So in L1 what we having, in L2 what we having, we will see this one. So in L1 I'm having Sarita Anita, in L2 I'm having Rajita Mary. So now what happened, L1 is added with L2. So that's why in L1 I'm having 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements I'm having. So I'm having all these 8 elements. So I have appended this one. So I have here what I have did means I have appended all these elements. So how many elements I have it? I have appended this one. Suppose if I want the count, what I can do it, li dot this size I want to. If I want to get the size, I can use get size. So now it has to, previously how many elements are there? Only 4 elements. Totally I'm having the 8 elements now. Okay, you can get the count of that elements. If you want to get the count of elements, you can get the count of elements. This is all about the array list. We can use a list with a linked list. The linked list part we can see in tomorrow's class. That's all guys. Thank you.